It's the perfect time of year to be looking at a sprayer, as everyone is looking to get the best out of their growth by either fertilizing, or maybe they need to kill off some of those weeds that are in the way. Or it could be just insect sprays or herbicides that might be required. The measuring cup helps you get your mixture perfectly right. Water is the key, as it's what's used to clean your system out, as well as what you mix other things into, such as herbicides, poisons, or even just fertilizers. On the side of the container you can see there's some easy to read measurements, so you can get your mixture perfectly right. The ratio to mix it is always on your packaging, so you refer to that for best results. Now to reassemble, it's pretty simple. Just align the hose so it gets inside, then just clip it off, add a battery, and you're ready to spray. So the sprayer has a fully adjustable nozzle, which means you can get that really fine mist for some of your indoor plants, or you can get a heavier stream, which is really good if you've got slightly windy conditions. And it's a really simple twist of the jet and you can get it down to a really fine mist. You can use the sprayer while connected to the top of the unit, or you can detach it and use it as a wand. Always use the recommendations on the packaging to get your ratios just right. Now I've added water to the drum to the same mixture as what's on the packaging. All I now need to do is add my sea cell into my measuring cup and then put it in the drum. The measuring cup becomes the lid to seal it all off. Place the pump head back on, align the tube, and then just clip it off. And we're good to go. Give it a shake. Just add a battery and you're good to go. You can use it while it's still connected to the unit, or you can roll around your yard using it as a wand. And of course it's the same process for weed killers, ensuring that you follow the measurements on the back of the pack. Put some in the cup. Just realise when you're switching from, say, a fertilizer to a poison, that you must fully rinse everything with clean, clear water first, or have yourself a second drum, one you can use for poison and one you can use for fertilizers.